Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the free side of Plex. Most of you guys know Plex as an application to host your own media server, but did you guys know it has its own free content which has movies, TV shows, and even live TV with EPG? Stay tuned, I'll show you what this is all about. If you guys like this video and my other videos helpful, please click on the thumbs up down below, and don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified for all future and new videos. Now guys, Plex is an application that's mostly known to host your own media server. Now if you guys want to know how to set up and use Plex, I can start doing a series about that. Let me know down below. But Plex is really interesting because it has its own free side that most people don't actually know about, that does not require a sign up. I'm going to go ahead here and open up the actual application. As you can see right now, I'm not actually signed in, but you have a home section, live TV, movies and shows, podcast, music, and your media if you want to add your own as well. So with me not being signed in here, if I go to the home tab, you can see here it shows you what's currently on right now for these running streaming channels. Now here's one thing I want to let you guys know: the content in here is not the main or streamlined networks or content for streaming content. It's going to be mostly the probably the older classic movies, but the bonus is with this, since this is a legal and free streaming application, you're going to get absolutely minimal buffering. If you do get buffering with this application, it's probably because of your actual internet connection, right? So on the actual home screen, you see probably all of the what's going on right now with the Plex.tv media server, top picks, most popular, crime, recently added. So if we actually go to the recently added section here, some of them here, the titles are actually not that bad, but of course they are mostly old. You have the thrills, reality TV. Let's see what's reality TV here. As you guys can see, lots of different content. So this is content that's probably going to be leaving the application soon, and some of these are actually streamlined, good quality movies. And as I go more and more down here, you'll see more and more TV shows and movies. Live TV, again, it's going to show more of the categorized content, right? So yeah, here you have a couple channels right here, all showing a specific show, what's currently playing, and what's playing next. And if you want to actually go ahead and watch a channel, go ahead and tap OK on it. Tap on Watch Channel. And it's going to go ahead stream that in 720p HD if it's available. Any channel you play on. So as you go down more and more here, you'll see lots and lots of live TV content. And to be honest, this is good to have. It's like sometimes when all those third-party applications are not working, you just want something that actually works, right? And Plex is known as an official streaming application. It works 100% all the time. No VPN required. Works on Android TV devices, Plex, .tv on the web browser, iPhone, Android, iPad, Xiaomi boxes, NVIDIA shields. And to get the application, it can't be any easier. All you basically do is go to the Find. In this case, go to Search. And search for Plex. I'm going to use the voice search here. Plex. And there it is. You go ahead and install it. And that is basically how easy it is to get the free side of Plex on your device. And there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.